Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix corrupted Windows files fast with SFC Scan now. Let's begin. First, I want you to go over here and click on your Windows Start button, okay? Then search for CMD or the command prompt. Make sure to run this as the administrator, okay? And just click yes. Right here, it will open a new window. Just type in SFC scan now. Just follow this SFC space slash scan now. Hit enter and Windows will begin to scan your entire computer for any corrupted files and repair them automatically. Once completed, it will show in here that if it has found any corrupted files that it has successfully repaired them. So it will just take less than a few minutes though. But yes, we have successfully run SFC scan in your computer. I hope you found this video very helpful.